Welcome! In this video, I will show you how to use the no match template to help your bot answer any kind of message from your customers. As you know, WhatsApp bots are built with items that are triggered with specific keywords. But sometimes, a user may ask a question using words you have not considered. That's when the no match template will come into play, providing an answer whenever a keyword is not recognized. Let's see how to set it up. Open your account and go to the WhatsApp module in the left sidebar. Click on Chatbot. Look for the account where you wish to configure the bot and tap on Add New Item. Select Enable as status. Indicate if the bot is set for individual chats, groups, or both. Now, indicate that yes, this is a no-match response. Write a name to identify it. Optionally, give a description. In keywords, put any word, for example, I will use hi. As the no-match template is on, this will make no difference. Ignore the next bot action field and scroll down directly to the caption box. There, write the message that must be provided as no-match answer. For example, you can indicate the user to contact your support team or wait for a human agent. Optionally, you can add an image to accompany it. You could also turn on the AI button and instead of a message, train an artificial intelligence to answer whenever the no match is triggered. Check the corresponding tutorials for detailed instructions. Finally, if you wish to give your bot a more human-like feel, you can add a delay and make WhatsApp show the user that the answer is being typed. For this, select Typing in Presence Delay and indicate how many seconds should it wait before responding. If you do not wish this feature, just leave it in 1 and select the Disable option. When you are done, click on Submit. For better results, we recommend that you only have one item set up as no match per account. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.